Hi everybody, welcome to week 12. We have kind of a light week this week, so I am just going to go through quickly and tell you what you have to get accomplished in the following week. So the first thing is our overview, and you can see that we have cereal back on our agenda for this week. We have our normally scheduled episode with a discussion board, and it is Serial episode 10, The Best Defense is a Good Defense. I do want to preview next week. Week 13 is when we are going to finish up our Serial Season 1 broadcast. So we will be doing 2 episodes next week together in one discussion board. And next week, the last Curiosity Quest is due as well. So you will have 2 episodes to listen to next week and do one discussion board, and you will have your final Curiosity Quest presentation due next week as well. So this week, it's just episode 10 and a discussion board. But if you feel the need to get ahead in your work, I would definitely think about doing working ahead here, getting your Curiosity Quest done, because next week we will also be doing your third draft for your justice paper along with group conferences. So you're going to have additional work there as well. So this would be the place to get ahead if you want. But this week we're just going to focus on episode 10, and you have a normal discussion board. All right, so the next thing on our agenda is writing the justice paper. You will be doing your draft 2 this week. It's due Friday. And I just wanted to show you what's in the folder, writing the justice paper folder on D2L. You can see that there is a video here that talks about how to do draft 2 and all kinds of things to think about as you're doing your draft 2. And then I have a video here that I've posted that goes along with this presentation that talks about formatting a works cited page. Here's a link to the OWL, the MLA formatting style guide from the OWL. Here's a link to transitions and coherence. Here's a link to cohesion in academic writing. Okay, so you have a whole bunch of things, and you can also, I know that I posted this last week with your Shitty First Draft as well, but your grading sheet is there just so you're aware of how you're going to get graded on your justice paper. So you have some things to think about this week and drafting your paper again. And I want you to take some time and do your paper this week. Like really try and figure out what fits with what. So next week, after you get my feedback from draft 2, you can show off to your justice groups how well you're doing with this paper. All right, so that is it for this week. No writing is wasted, so as you revise and play and plan and write and think and play and write some more, I hope that you find some joy in that. Have a great week, and let me know if you have questions.